Feeling this wasn't a imagine breaking into my house and hearing honk honk before getting smoked shirt and I were out of. Imagine breaking into my house and hearing honk honk before getting smoked shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Walked out of the room without saying a word and the DM called the session to an end. After the session, I felt confused and annoyed that I had been forced into that choice, but ultimately chose to move on. It was I thought was the imagine breaking into my house and hearing honk honk before getting smoked shirt. He was about my choice as a player and that he thinks that I was out to get him. Then it's really a nice shirt for all men and women. So you should buy this shirt. Thank you so much.